The Alphason Wall Bracket offers an easy and attractive way to mount your Sonos Play 3. All you will need for installation are a screwdriver, a spirit level, and wall fixings appropriate to the wall type. To start, unpack your mount by first sliding the bracket down and tightening with a screwdriver. Next, turn the Y bracket 90 degrees as shown. Using a spirit level, carefully mark the desired location and mount to the wall using appropriate wall fixings. Loosen the locking wheel as shown and tilt the Y bracket 90 degrees up. Then retighten. Place the Play 3 over the Y bracket and attach using the mounting screw provided. Push the two plastic plugs through the bracket into the back of the speaker like so. And tighten the mounting screw to secure the Play 3. Feed the power cable up through the bracket and plug into the speaker. Take the cover, and if your cable is running down the wall, cut out the small square shown here and slide the cover onto the bracket like so. Loosen the locking wheel and position your speaker to the desired location. The speaker can move up, down, right, left, and can be orientated vertically or horizontally. Finally, tighten the locking wheel and your Play 3 is ready to use. For more information or to see our full range, visit www.alphasondesigns.com.